himself with a little ad. Found himself with a little ad. One of the ones in the game.
Oh yeah.
You still got yours?
Yeah. It's just parked over the side there.
Completely unlocked, left with the ball nowhere.
Oh yeah.
Build those little mini games. There aren't too many people raiding. I haven't seen too many people raiding, but it is a raid service. All right. Keep safe. Stay safe. Have fun.
Yes, sweet.
You've got a vehicle. You've got a vehicle, so you've got some little bit of storage. Don't forget to park it in there underneath the arrow and truck it away after you finish it.
Yeah.
Yep. Head out to. There's a couple of good military points around here too.
Yeah, like the VKs and stuff.
Yeah.
Ever since recon started going around the map collecting all the loot, Blake's now becoming more prevalent.
Oh yeah, definitely something like that.
It's all good. We're not gonna hurt you. Gentlemen's rule. It's all good.
Oh, yo.
Yo.
Oh.
Hey.
Yo. What's up,
man?
We're just coming to check it out.
But yeah, a lot of it's in Russian.
Yeah, none of us know Russian, right? Maybe this guy does because he's American, so.
Oh, another little tip: if you want to find out
No Russian? Okay.
No
counterintelligence there?
It'll come up as the parts will come up named purple.
Oh, it will?
Yeah.
They have that on the server?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sweet.
So that's very helpful with some of the